Firo Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Firo Wallet app is designed for one purpose: complete privacy in your crypto transactions. But how well does it really deliver on that promise? Let's break down the pros, the cons, and the surprising truth about using the Firo wallet. First, the biggest pro is privacy by design. Firo, formerly known as Scoin, is a cryptocurrency built for anonymity, and its wallet reflects that mission. It uses advanced technology called Lelantas, which allows users to burn coins and redeem them later with zero traceability. In simple terms, this means no one can link your transactions together, not even blockchain explorers. Another advantage is control and transparency. The wallet is open source, meaning anyone can inspect the code. This adds a layer of trust and makes it harder for hidden vulnerabilities to go unnoticed. It's also lightweight and user-friendly, available on desktop and mobile. Whether you're sending Firo or managing your balance, the interface is straightforward, no confusing menus or unnecessary features. On top of that, Firo supports community governance, giving holders a say in project decisions. It's not just a wallet, it's part of a privacy-focused ecosystem. Now for the downsides. The most obvious con is limited coin support. The Firo wallet only stores Firo, no Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins. If you're looking for an all-in-one wallet, this isn't it. Another drawback is lower liquidity and adoption compared to major cryptocurrencies. This can make buying, selling, or trading Firo less convenient, especially for beginners. And while its privacy tools are powerful, they can make transactions slower and more complex than standard transfers. In conclusion, the Firo Wallet app is ideal for privacy advocates who want complete control over their digital footprint. The surprising truth? It's not for everyone, but for those who value anonymity above all else, Firo delivers one of the strongest privacy solutions in crypto today.